All right, welcome back. Today we have the Topps Chrome came in the mail today. So we're gonna open this up and get us started here. Maddox, who do you want to see in the cards today? Do you have any players that you would love to see?
Either Otani
Ooh, an Otani card, eh?
Otani or
Okay,
Tatis.
so let's see here. All right. Ooh, we got a Bryce Harper. Steven Strasburg. Ooh, I see a pink. Lucas Giolito. And a Chris Archer. Which I'm not really sure what I think about Chris Archer. I mean, I love the pink refractor. But
Can I use this one?
yeah, sure can. I see a rookie card. Here, come on over here. There you go. All right, first one is, put it under there so they can see, buddy. Okay, that's a rookie card, buddy. That's a William Contreras rookie card. Okay, put that one down here so they can see it. That one's a Shane Bieber. Whoa! There you go, buddy. A Prismo Power. Wilson Contreras. And a Luis Garcia. Nice. Good work. All right. All right, here we go. Manny Machado. A Clayton Kershaw. Man, I just love these Chrome cards. They just look so awesome. A Nelly Cruz, now playing for the Tampa Bay Rays, which my Red Sox are beating them 4-0 right now. Thank you. Ooh, nice. A little Evan Longoria. Nice. All right.
No, my turn.
Next up, Mr. Maddox. Okay, Mr. Maddox, come on over here. Ooh, I see another pink refractor. So you got a Sam Huff. Ooh, nice, buddy. An Isaac Paredes. A Kyle Tucker. And a Willie Castro. Ooh, that's a nice card, buddy. Look at that one. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. We got a Wilson Ramos, a Max Scherzer, a Dane Dunning, and a Luis Robert refractor. Look at that thing. That looks pretty. Wow, it's a nice one. I like that one a lot. Okay, you got a Chris Bubik. Wow, you're getting all the pink refractors, buddy. A Kyle Lewis. That's a Paul Goldschmidt. And a Casey Mize rookie. Nice. That is a nice card right there. Man, that is good. What a good pack. What a good pack. All right. Excuse me, buddy. We got Evan Longoria. We also got that card. Anderson Tejada. Nice Brandon Crawford. Topps Chrome.
I see a star one.
Nice. And a Dylan Cease.
What does it
That's a
say?
Future Stars. Dylan Cease.
My turn.
Mr. Maddox, you're going to open the last pack up for us. Hopefully we can pull something good. You've been having a nice touch, pulling some nice cards here today. And I think you got another pink refractor. So you got a Casey Mize right off the go, buddy. Rookie card. You got a Dean Kermer. Oh, we got him, buddy! A Ke'Bryan Hayes! That's the one Dad wanted. Nice. In the rookie cup, Kyle Lewis in the purple. Awesome. All right, let's go through this pile real quick, buddy. Okay. Wow. We got Ke'Bryan Hayes. Are you serious? So we got a little Dylan Cease, Brandon Crawford, Anderson Tejada, Evan Longoria, Casey Mize. Great card right there. Little Paul Goldie, Kyle Lewis. You got Bubic, Luis Robert. Oof, that is just a pretty card all the way around. A little off centering there. You can kind of see that. A little bit thicker on this side. Dane Dunning, Max Scherzer, Wilson Ramos, Willie Castro, Kyle Tucker, Paredes, Mr. Sam Huff, Evan Longoria. I think we know who will like little Giants. Who will like the Giants? Yeah.
The Jacobus.
Jacobus is Nelly Cruz. A little Clayton. Who would like a little Clayton?
Damon.
Yeah, Uncle Damon. Manny Machado. Who would like the San Diego Padres Manny Machado?
Charlie.
Charlie would like that. Luis Garcia. Do you know anybody who likes the Nationals? No. Wilson Contreras. Anybody like the Cubbies? Little Shane Bieber. William Contreras. I like that card a lot. That is a nice card. Wow. Chris Archer. Giolito. That is a refractor too. Wow, look at that. Like that. Steven Strasburg. Harper. And then the Ke'Bryan Hayes hit. That, my friend, is what it's all about. Centering looks good. Corners look good. That looks like a great card. Dean Kramer. And another Kyle Lewis, but a purple. All right. Thanks for joining in today. And until the next pack, we'll see you later.